Okay, so in terms of what you can claim for, broadly there are two main areas of compensation that lawyers talk about. So the first is what we call general damages, and that covers things like pain, suffering and loss of amenity, which is a bit of a strange concept for people, but essentially it's to compensate you for the inconvenience that you've got through your injury and the pain and how it's affected you in your daily life. And those claims are worked out by getting a medical report which details how the accident occurred, how it affected you, the treatment that you had, and the progress that you've made. And importantly, the doctor will examine you when he or she prepares that report, and will prepare an important part of the report called prognosis, which means how you're going to fare in the future. So will you make a full recovery, and if so, how long that will take. And then based on what the medical evidence says, we compare that report to previously decided cases, and we can give you a figure for your pain, suffering and loss of amenity. The second area which you can claim for is what we call special damages, and that really breaks down into two further sections. So you have past damages and future damages. So past damages are really any financial losses that you've incurred due to your injuries. The main one is generally things like loss of earnings, but you can also claim for travelling expenses, medication, damaged clothing, etc. In fact, anything that you've suffered financially as a result of your injuries, as long as it's reasonably incurred, is something you can claim for. And then, as I say, in the more serious injuries where there is an ongoing effect of the injury, there's future loss, and that can include things like future loss of earnings, reduction in earning capacity. In very serious cases you might need lifetime care, and those are all sorts of things that we can claim for.